Hello everyone, and this is Edmar Mindaro's channel and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo ko on how to clear Google Chrome cache and cookies on Windows 11. On Google Chrome, you can clear the cache and cookies to resolve performance and browsing issues as well as to free up space on your computer and to speed up web navigating experience. Ipano lang guys ang step-by-step method nito and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay dito lang sa ating web browsing. Dito lang sa Google Chrome, so click lang natin yan. And then dito lang sa right side, dito lang sa taas, makikita mo dito yung tatlong dots. So click mo lang yan. And then next ay kailangan mo na select yung history. And then dito sa history ay pwede mong gamitin yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+H para ma-direct agad dito. Ang next step ay click mo lang ito. And then dito sa history, kailangan mo lang select yung clear browsing data. And then dito sa clear browsing data, so may dalawa dito na basic and advanced. So ang gagawin natin dito ay yung basic. So click lang natin yan. And then next ay makikita mo dito yung time range. So select mo lang dito yung time range kung gusto mo ng last hour, last 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, and yung all the time. So select natin yung all the time. And then next ay kailangan lang natin i-uncheck yung browsing history. Dahil ang i-clear natin dito yung cookies and cache. Alright? So, naka-check na yung cookies and cache. And then next, ay kailangan mo lang select yung clear data. So, click natin to. Yan. So, ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan. So, once na-complete na yung steps, Google Chrome will clear the cache, data, and cookies, allowing website to load correctly and faster than before after reaching the informations. So, ganun lang kasimple and hope na nasundan yung step-by-step method at comment ka lang in any questions regarding this tutorial. Maraming salamat at nakapag-share ulit ako ng bagong kaalaman at kung bago ka lang sa aking channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and hit the bell notifications to stay updated with more helpful technology tutorials. Thank you guys and see you in my next vlogs.